Hiya, Terry here. Getting the engine in at last on Gearbox. It's the 9th of the 1st, 2010, -5 outside, snow everywhere, it's absolutely freezing. We just took us about an hour and a half, a couple of hours to get it ready. I'll just pass you the camera on to my wife and she'll video us dropping the engine into the engine bay.
Okay, can you
Right.
can you lower it a bit more?
Low it on the engine hoist.
Yeah, lower jack.
Right. Is that alright in front of the bulkhead where your fingers are?
I've got it, yeah,
Right.
clear.
Is it going in alright?
Yeah. Keep going down.
Down?
Yeah. Well, I'll do that.
What we just...
It's just at the front.
We just tap. It's the engine mounted to the bracket, not brackets, to the chassis where the engine mounted fit. So we're all right there, yeah.
Yeah, we just need to lower it down a bit more.
On the engine hoist.
Yeah.
Not the stabiliser.
No.
Look, we've just suddenly gone forward.
Yeah, I'm pushing it forward.
Right, I didn't know.
Oh,
right, down again, a bit more.
Down again, yeah.
Watch your fingers, matey.
Yeah. Right on. Whoa.
Right.
Went a bit too much then. What's that side?
It's here, empty.
That's why I said don't put the starter on.
Oh, right. Do you want me to take the starter off?
I did tell you to put that
I
on.
couldn't remember.
Yeah. Right, yeah.
Yeah?
So, at least what it's on is the better way. You clear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not the starter that's catching it. It's the bell housing.
Yeah.
The bell housing that the starter motor is attached to. Can you just it's got to go to the near side, the left side. Can you do that?
No, it's in the sump.
So
Unless you go down a bit more.
that's really fine now.
Careful.
Where's it hitting the sump? Let me have a look.
On the bracket here. Here's your bracket.
You've got more room than me.
No, here. Sitting here.
Right.
It's got to be down a bit more.
Down?
Yeah.
That way?
Down, yeah. This side clear. Hold on. Where's it binding up on it there?
See, it's the mounting. It's the bell housing.
Yeah.
That's the steering column.
What is?
Yeah, that's the steering column it's hitting. Look.
Yeah.
Right.
Right. You clear there?
Yeah. You ready?
Yeah.
That was odd, that was.
Went down a bit too quick now.
It was catching the steering column.
Yeah. Almost there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right, do you want to...
It's around here. Right.
Get a jack underneath the gearbox and support it a bit.
Once it's down, it'll cock up, won't it?
Do you want to go down a bit?
Slowly, yes.
Right.
This side.
Are you ready?
Let me see what's catching here now. Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Just a touch.
I'm going to pull our arm up.
Just a touch.
Yeah.
Is it going down?
Yeah. I'm still free, slowly.
Yeah, slowly. I am, I'm only just touching millimetres.
Well, caught on something now.
we need, I know what we need.
Just take those motors.
Up,
Down.
down.
Which one got?
I have done.
Yeah. That's it, spot on.
Yeah. Right, let's support the gearbox with the jack now.
We're alright there.
Right, leave it like that. Right, come. Oh! Right. It was a bit of a struggle, but we got there in the end. We just got to fiddle about with it a little bit, and that's it. Happy motoring. Bye for now.